friends, now I want to practice how to make a glass of tea. The ingredients are tea bag, spoon, hot water, and glass, and sugar. The first step is put the sugar and the tea bag and pour the hot water. Aduh. And stir it well. Until 1 minute. Be careful to stir it. Okay, the tea is ready to serve. Thank you to watch my video. Bye.
Assalamualaikum. Hello my friend. I want to plant scissor flowers. Materials: scissor flowers, land, vase, and water. First step: put the into vase. Second, put the scissor flower into land. Third, after that, water the flower. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum. I want to practice how to make a cup of coffee. The ingredients are coffee powder, scissors, topping, glass, spoon, and hot water. The first step is cut the sachet of coffee powder and put the coffee powder to hot water. And stir. And after that, cut the topping and put to hot water. And finish. The cup of coffee is ready to drink.
Assalamualaikum.
Abil.
Assalamualaikum. Hello my friend. I want to
My friend. Hello, my friend. I want to make. I want to make fish dong. Hot water. Kenapa ketawa sih tadi? Assalamualaikum. I want to practice how to make a cup of coffee. Tadi ke sana. Kopi. Stop. Dek. Stop. Udah ayo. The ingredients.